Hello everyone, welcome back to the Agro Times. I'm Bibi Olivia and I'm making this video from Arusha, Tanzania. There's a reflection of light in this. So I'm making this video from Arusha, Tanzania. I've just arrived. I arrived at Kilimanjaro International Airport by 8:30 in the morning. So it is around 10:30. I've just arrived at the hotel room. What brought me here? I've come to represent women working in big scale commercial agriculture productions, like women working in Kalangala district in palm oil production. I've come to represent them on gender-based violence, challenges they face while working. For example, sex harassment, underpayment, working under bad conditions, and to come up with the best solutions for those challenges. And basically to talk about that. Then another meeting will be on coffee. That's a trade under the European Union, and it will be there on Tuesday. So I'm going to present in both meetings. It is surrounds on agriculture. So I was brought here by certain company or organization. It's a sort of a low trade organization in Uganda. So they facilitated for each and everything. So right now I've just arrived at Arusha. The hotel is called Corridor Spring Hotel Arusha. So it's where I am. I'm so tired right now. I feel sleepy. I traveled since yesterday, so I feel a little bit sleepy. I had a transit to in Kenya, then from Kenya to here, and the flight was a night flight. So I will talk about what brought me here maybe in another video, but for this particular video I just want to make a quick review of this hotel, of my room, my hotel room. So on the table here I have water and a glass, Kilimanjaro. Then I have a percolator over here, then a cup, then a spoon, then I have sugar right here, brown sugar. Then I have Kilimanjaro tea bags. I have I think this is kawa coffee, then milk, a tray, a phone in case I need anything. Then I have a television. From there, that's the setup of the table. You see the chair where I can sit. So turning this side, I have that. I haven't arranged my things. You see the bags are all over. So I have this, some books in here. I don't know this one what. I haven't looked at them. So when it comes to bed, this is their bed display, like that. So I think you can see Corridor Spring Hotels Arusha. Then on the bed there are some sweets, you see, some sweets. Then we have the wardrobe. It has space, it has enough space. The light is not enough, but I know you're seeing guys. So this is the bathroom, the toilet, the wash side is here. Then we have the sink. So we have this soap, bathing soap. We have here the body cream, as you see. So we have the shampoo, then we have the shower gel, then we have the dental kit. I think there's dead dent and toothbrush. Then we have towels, of course, they are white. So this is my shower room. Let me show you the view, my view. Let me try to open the window. I don't know whether you will see. I better have an AC in. So let me try to show you my view. I don't know whether you can see it, but that's my view. A pool, then some good plants in there. Then there's a tall building. I read on it. It is like a Arusha house. So that's my outside view. So guys, as I told you, I'm too tired. Too tired. Just know I'm tired. Allow me to sleep. I may streamline while I'm presenting. I've come to present women like me. So I have to speak up their problems. And I'm going to streamline, or I'm going to make a video while I'm participating in both meetings. For now, bye-bye. I love you so much. Stay connected, stay tuned in. Always tap on the notification button, and those who haven't subscribe, kindly subscribe and share these videos. Wow, bye-bye.